everybody, welcome to my channel, Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. My name is Bill. I'll do an update on the hand injury. It's been a minute since I've done that, so anyway, let's play a little bit in the water and then we'll get to the old hand injury. I hope that looked like fun, because it was. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Anyway, I wanted to give you all an update on the tendon, the Flexor Tendon surgery that I had done or had back in last July. The injury that happened on June 26th, where I cut, my pinky, both flexor tendons in my pinky, and then the lower flexor tendon in my ring finger of my dominant right hand. Since then, basically been doing therapy once to twice a week. My November doctor's appointment, he thought that I was going to need to have surgery done for him to go open it back up and just clean out the scar tissue in there. And he thought that that was what was keeping me from any further movement in my pinky. And I'll show you all the movement that I have now in a minute. Seen the doctor again in February. And in February, started making some progress, getting a little bit more range. So he thinks that, maybe we don't need to do surgery. Maybe it was just a swelling in the pinky is, still keeping me from moving, or, or whatever. So I got to see him again next month in May. And we'll make the final, I guess, decision. Doctors, you know how that goes. There's never final, nothing. They want to string you along, take a little bit more money from you, as or the insurance company, as much as they can, whatever. And the nerve, I also cut the nerves in my whole pinky. That feeling, I'm just now starting to get back. It feels kind of like, whenever I touch the tip of my pinky now, it feels like it is when your foot goes to sleep, or your hand is asleep, or, something where it's you just feel that needle, tingling feeling. Well, that's what it feels like when I touch something with the end of my pinky. So, and with that, with the nerves regrowing back or whatever they do, there's the occasional lightning bolt that runs down my pinky. Kind of exciting moments then. Not really. But it is, as the doctor says, that's good news. That means the nerves are, working. And I'm like, yeah, it still sucks. So anyway, with all that said, so right now, this is as good as it gets. And my ring finger, I can actually touch the palm of my hand with my ring finger, which is awesome. My pinky, you see, that is as good as it gets. But yeah, this is going to take every bit of a year, and probably more, for the nerves to be 100%. I'm hoping only a year, because I'm really over this right now. The end effect is I've got pretty good motion. I'm getting the strength built back in my hand. My garage door is on a chain pull, and I can actually grab the chain now and pull the door up. That to me is a massive improvement, because for the last 7 months I've not been able to do that. So I'm having to use my left hand for everything, and I am not left-handed. Matter of fact, I am the complete opposite of left-handed. I do nothing with this left hand. I had the surgery done at UAB in Birmingham. Phenomenal doctors, phenomenal nurses that I remember. It was an outpatient surgery. Hand is almost back. It'll probably never, be back to 100%. But anyway, I just want to give you all this quick little update so y'all didn't know that, and the ones that have been following me on my hand injury videos, still dealing with it. And hopefully, we'll be done with this soon. And for those of you out there that are dealing with the same thing, don't worry. The doctors do know what they're doing. Follow their instruction to the T, and your recovery will go much smoother. Do exactly what they tell you, not no more, not no less. All right? And hey, if you ever have any questions whatsoever about that, or about the truck, about anything, don't hesitate. Comment me. Comment on here. Comment on any of my videos. I watch all the comments. I answer all of them. I'm going to get off here. Let you all have the rest of your day. And hey, everyone, let's pray for everyone that's dealing with the flooding and all that. I know it's gotten a lot crazy out there. This has been some crazy weather with the tornadoes and everything. So just remember, everyone out there that's having to deal with this stuff, that's probably not you. And if you are dealing with this stuff, man, I'm sorry that you are, and you're in my prayers. Anyway, y'all have a wonderful day, as good as it can be, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.